This is Paul. Yep. June 16th. Yep. December 31st. May 27th. Poach. July 2nd of 2011. Forgeries. Heidi Lee Budner. Yep. Look-alike spouse. Pooch. Appears in court, signing court orders as if she were my actual wife that I had slept with. Yep. That I'd eaten with. Right. That I had dressed in front of. Oh! An individual that had never resided with me. Yes. Impersonating my real wife. Yes. Now, for a husband, you notice things about your spouse. Pooch. It could be that your wife, yeah, is kind of concerned about you never getting home. Yes. Actually dying from this point until that time that you get out of prison, not realizing that the end of your life has already happened. Pooch. You'll never get out. You'll die in prison. Yes. Something a lot of cops don't want to acknowledge is that you will not get out of prison. You'll end up dying there. Yes. You will not be able to ever live in your actual house ever again right now. You're going to die there. Now, King County Administrator, making war on the United States. Yeah. December 31st to 448. Yeah. I wasn't in Squim. I was in Port Angeles. Yes. More than likely, my wife was in contempt of court at the time of the false accusation of being there. You're come to find out family is going to cause you to never get out of prison. You'll die there. Now, you issued this for 10 years. Pooch. This son is 18 years old. An adult American citizen, a resident of the state of Washington. Yeah. This son, yeah, 17 years old. Pooch. Obviously doesn't need the protections of a protection order. Yes. But the arrogant right now individuals in the judiciary, yes, have played this game called we can make war on anybody. Yes. Not realizing that you'll starve to death before you ever get to reside outside of a prison. Yes. Now, Deacon's birthday, he's 16. Maximilian, 13. Yeah. Benjamin's 9 years old. Yes. The respondent didn't have any reasonable notice and an opportunity to be heard. Yeah. As much as you got paid, if you never get out of prison and you die there for the knowledge that you have, yes, the money you have is of no use to you. Yes. There's really very little to spend your money on in prison. Now, this was issued on the 31st of 2015. Yep. I never committed any domestic violence. Pooch. Never did. Yes. The whole time of you issuing protection orders was my wife saying I was fearful for my life. Yes. My husband's going to get me. No! Expungement. Not guilty. Yes. On about July 24th of 2012. Yes. Within the state of Washington, I've never committed any actual accusation of domestic violence or child abuse. The accusation, yes, of domestic violence and child abuse took place on Guam. On Guam, I did 7 hours of parenting classes. On Guam, my record was expunged. Yes. In this state right now, in this state, there has never been an accusation of domestic violence or child abuse. Just so you understand, yes. Poop wasn't there. 7:47 a.m. I was on the bus. Pooch! Now, this is how this works. Yeah. Every day I tell you that this is against the law. Yes. In your family, you say, well, as long as I pay, you do what I say. We'll use forgeries. Yeah. We'll use fraud. Pooch. We'll use false accusations. Pooch. We'll employ people to act the part. Yes. We will do whatever we want because in this family right now, we'll do whatever we want. We are immune from prosecution. There is nothing that I can do. Pooch! And I have documented trillions of dollars worth of lawsuits. Now, just so you understand, yes, You're winning the battle, yep, but you're starving yourselves when you try to get out of prison. Now, for me, I'm sitting here without my sons. Yes! Having emailed 3.5 million emails. Pooch. Having informed you in 50,000 videos. You'll never get out of prison. You're going to die there. Sorry to tell you that. But you are the stupidest